Okay, class 10. Now today we are going to solve exercise 13.2, chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. So from 13.2, all the questions are based on the volume of combined solid or combination of solids. So we can start from question number 1. The question number 1 is a solid is in the shape of cone. A solid is in the shape of cone, which is standing on hemisphere. So it is cone. So cone is standing on hemisphere. Below cone there is a hemisphere with both their radii being 1 centimeter. So radius of hemisphere and radius of cone are 1 centimeter. And height of the cone is equals to the radius of cone. So height is also 1 centimeter. Equals to 1 centimeter, and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. So find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. So radius r equals to 1 centimeter. Height h equals to, this is also 1 centimeter. For the combined volume we should add the volume of this component, this solid. So volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone gives the volume of the entire solid. So therefore volume of solid will be volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. We know that the volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. We can take common 1 by 3 pi r square. 1 by 3 pi r square is common. Here 2r is left plus here h is left. 1 by 3 pi, what is the value of r? It is 1 into 1. Here 2 into 1 plus 1 centimeter cube. 1 by 3 value of pi, no need to put the value of pi because we need answer in terms of pi. So 1 into 1 is 1 into 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3 centimeter cube. So 3 cancel. So answer is pi centimeter cube. This is the solution of question number 1. So move to question number 2. Okay, question number 2 is Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends by using a thin aluminum sheet. So Rachel made a cylindrical shaped model The end part are conical. So end part are conical. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. So diameter is 3 centimeter. So this is also 3 centimeter. and its length is 12 centimeters. So total length is 12 centimeter. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, so height of each cone is 2 centimeter. So this height is 2 centimeter. Here also 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. Find the volume of air content in the model. So we have to calculate the volume of air content in this model that Rothschild made. Assuming that the outer and inner dimensions of model to be nearly the same, means the aluminum folds are very thin. That's why the inner dimension and the outer dimensions are nearly same. So first we will write the given information. So diameter is given. Diameter equals to 3 centimeter. Now radius will be, radius r equals to 3 by 2 centimeter. So radius of cylinder and radius of cone are same. After that, the total length is total length of model. Model is 12 centimeter. So it is given that the height of each cone, height of each cone, this is represented by small letter h equals to 2 centimeter. Now first we have to calculate the height of cylindrical part. So height of cylindrical part is, height of cylindrical part is represented by capital H. So this will be 12 minus 2 into 2. Why 2 into 2? Because in both sides there are two cones of 2 centimeter height. So we have to subtract this 2 centimeter and this 2 centimeter from the 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter minus 2 into 2 centimeter. So this equals to 12 minus 2 into 2 is 4 centimeter. So this will be 8 centimeter. Now we can calculate the volume of air content in the model. Therefore, volume of air contained in the model equals to volume of cylinder plus 2 times the volume of cone. Volume of cone. Now what will be the formula of volume of cylinder? It will be pi r square h. We will put here capital S because we consider capital S as the height of cylindrical part, plus 2 into 1/3 pi r square h. So height is small letter s because we consider small letter s for the height of cone. So we can take common as pi r square. Pi r square is common. So pi r square is common. Inside the bracket we will write h here plus 2 by 3 h. Now we can put the value of pi is 22 upon 7. So radius is, diameter is 3, so radius is 3 by 2. So it is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Now inside the bracket h is 8 plus 2 by 3 into small letter h is 2. It is in centimeter cube because the volume is in cubic units. Now calculate, simplify it. 22 upon 7 into 3 into 3 is 9 by 4. Now take LCM here, it is 3, 3 8 24 plus 2 to 4 centimeter cube. After that 22 upon 7 into 9 by 4 into 28 by 3 centimeter cube. Now we can quote 7 and 28. So this equals to 22 upon 7. Okay, first we'll cut this 7 1 7, 7 4 28. Now 4 4 cut, 3 1 3, 3 3 9. So only 22 into 3 is left, centimeter cube. So this will be 22 into 3 is 66 centimeter cube. Now this is the answer of question number 2. Okay, this was for today. Thank you.